Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up IBM Cloud Virtual Servers for enterprise app hosting, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your IBM Cloud account. Navigate to the IBM Cloud dashboard. Click on the Create Resource button. In the search bar, type Virtual Server and select Virtual Servers from the drop-down list. Choose the Create option under the Virtual Servers section. Select the appropriate data center region for your enterprise application. Decide whether you want to use a dedicated or shared host. Choose the Virtual Server Instance option for hosting. Select the operating system that best fits your application requirements. Determine the server type, whether it's standard or a high-performance option. Configure the server size based on the expected workload for your application. Set the quantity of virtual servers you want to deploy. In the networking section, you can choose a public or private network configuration. If needed, enable the Virtual Private Cloud option for better isolation and security. Consider setting up additional features like load balancers or private networks for scalability. Select your desired storage options, such as SSD or HDD, based on your performance needs. Review the configuration options and ensure everything aligns with your requirements. Click on the Create button to deploy your virtual server. Wait a few moments for the server to be provisioned and become active. Once active, navigate to the resource list to find your newly created virtual server. Click on the virtual server to access its management dashboard. Configure security settings, including firewalls and access controls, to secure your application. Install any necessary software and dependencies needed for your enterprise application. Upload your application files to the virtual server. Test the application to ensure it is functioning as expected. Monitor the server performance and make adjustments as necessary for optimal operation. Consider implementing backups and recovery solutions for data security. Your IBM Cloud Virtual Server is now set up for enterprise app hosting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.